Today, we are diving into the world of Pillsbury Strawberry Cake Mix. This popular baking product is loved by many for its convenience and delicious flavor. But have you ever wondered about the ingredients that make this cake mix so appealing? One of the key aspects of Pillsbury Strawberry Cake Mix is its flavor. The mix is designed to give you that classic strawberry taste. However, this flavor comes from a combination of fruit additives and artificial flavors. Fruit additives are often used to enhance the taste and appearance of the cake. In the case of strawberry cake mix, you might see ingredients like strawberry puree or strawberry powder. These ingredients can add a burst of flavor, but it is important to note that the actual fruit content may be minimal. In addition to fruit additives, there are also concerns about the use of natural sugars in this cake mix. Many consumers today are more health conscious. They are looking for ways to reduce their sugar intake. As a result, understanding the sugar content in products like cake mix is essential. Pillsbury Strawberry Cake Mix typically contains a blend of sugars. This can include both natural sugars and added sugars. Natural sugars come from ingredients like fruit and dairy. Added sugars, on the other hand, are those that are introduced during processing. When you look at the ingredient list, you may find sugars listed among the top ingredients. This can be a red flag for those who are watching their sugar consumption. A single serving of cake mix can contain a significant amount of sugar. What does this mean for you? If you are looking to cut down on sugar, you might want to consider making your cake from scratch. This way, you have control over the ingredients you use. You can choose to add fresh strawberries or use natural sweeteners. Another option is to look for cake mixes that are labeled as low sugar or no added sugar. These products are becoming more popular. They often use natural sugar alternatives. These alternatives can provide sweetness without the extra calories. It is also important to consider how the cake mix is prepared. When you add ingredients like eggs and oil, you are also adding more fat and calories. It is essential to be mindful of portion sizes when enjoying your cake. Now, let's talk about the nutritional information. One serving of Pillsbury Strawberry Cake Mix, which is usually about 1/3 of a cup, can contain around 20 grams of sugar. This is quite a bit, especially when you consider that the American Heart Association recommends no more than 6 teaspoons of added sugar per day for women and 9 teaspoons for men. When baking with this cake mix, consider pairing it with healthier options. For example, a dollop of fresh whipped cream can be a lovely addition. You can also serve it with fresh strawberries on top. This can help to balance the sweetness of the cake. In conclusion, Pillsbury Strawberry Cake Mix is a fun and convenient option for a delicious dessert. However, being aware of the fruit additives and sugar content is essential. If you are looking for a healthier alternative, consider making your cake from scratch or looking for lower sugar options. By being informed about what you are consuming, you can make better choices for your health. Enjoying cake is all about balance. Moderation is key. Thank you for your time watching this. Like and subscribe for future content.